Hello everyone, welcome back to my video, and today is very early in the morning. Just look at the sky. So it's been a long time since I've filmed a video because we haven't been sent to Porvic for a long time. We couldn't find a reservation, whatever it's called, to find a house at Porvic. So we're finally leaving today. Everything's packed except we just need to pack a little more stuff in the house, and we're gonna head straight up. This is probably the earliest we've woken up and left for Porvic. I'll see you when we're driving. That took forever. That felt like 2 hours, but it was actually like 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. It took forever. We just left Port Wayfield, and guess what I got? That bacon and egg sandwich. Last time I got the chips, I did a review for it, and you guys loved that, so I'm going to do it for the bacon and egg sandwich. These are very good, by the way. Really nice. That's very good. I should actually really get these. I'm not sure if they're better than the chips, but the smell. My bad. The smell, the taste, it's amazing. I should get these or the chips. I don't know which one I should get. I think the chips are better, but I like this. I'll see you when we arrive at Port Victoria. Hi guys, we just arrived at Port Vic. Now looks perfect. It's like 5-10 knots. It's absolutely amazing. So we're just gonna hop into our holiday house. It's down there, that one at the end. We're gonna unpack and then we'll go fishing. I'll see you at the boat ramp. Bye. Hi guys, we're at the boat ramp and we just finished getting our boat off the trailer. There it is, right there. So we're just gonna head out. First spell's OP, right Dad?
Yep, your spot, mate.
My spot, mate. I know you. Fish we caught is by me, a tiny silver whiting. It's quite small, but that's a good sign that there's some fish. I got a big tail. Dad! Don't send me!
It's alright, relax.
What the hell, Dad?
It's alright, I'm busy doing things, buddy. I'm going to do things too.
That was a big whiting.
Yeah, well, it came back, didn't it? You don't have to yank it out of his head. They're just baby sand whiting. That's what we've been getting.
But that's a big whiting. That's a good whiting. Oh, that's nice. That's a whiting. That's a good whiting. That's a good whiting.
Snook.
Oh, keep it.
Louie'S spot. Look what we get. A snook.
A snook? Now keep it, Dad. Keep it. Give it to
That's a good snook.
Give it to Annabelle.
Yeah.
first snook.
Yeah.
On bait.
On squid.
And I caught my first snook. I'm not sure if you watched that video, but I caught a snook on a garfish there. We were going for garfish. We caught heaps of garfish, and I got a garfish, and a big splash came in. A garfish took it.
I actually thought that was a big whiting.
Yeah, that looked like a whiting.
Yeah. Makes it white, so.
Who would have thought?
Yeah, I know.
That's gotta be rare. That's gotta be rare, catching a snook on bait.
Yeah.
Maybe it must have been white. There we go.
What is it? Looks a bit better.
No, that's small.
Still the same. Yeah, that's a king George, isn't it? No.
No, that is a king.
Yeah, bait. We'll move around anyway.
No, I want
If
to
we
say
keep
here.
getting the small ones, we'll move around. Hang on, let me go. You just want to leave that one. I'm going to getting bites.
Another fish.
I think we'll start recording here because we're only getting this.
So hi guys, we're back. Still caught only one fish in our bucket, and that's a snook. There it is. Not too big, not too small, just right. We moved from the other spot because we weren't catching that many fish. We didn't even go. Well, we got a couple buds, we got a couple clean outs. We're in a different spot now. Hopefully we can catch some big King George whiting or other fish for us to eat. If we don't catch anything here, we might move to another spot, and then later on we'll go squidding. I'll see you when we catch a fish, or we're moving to a different spot. Let's just hope we catch a fish. Bye. Hi guys, we've had a big whiting spree. We have ended up catching a heap of whiting and red mullet. I'm going to keep on videoing this because we're going nuts with them. I think we've calmed down a little bit, so I'm going to start setting it up. The reason why I didn't get to set you up before is that because we're catching whiting. Hi guys, I'm back, and we have been very successful but not successful at the same time. That doesn't really make sense, but at least we have caught, how do you open this here, this thing, sorry, 10 whiting and 1 snook. So this is the thing, for 10 minutes the whiting were going nuts. We kept on catching them, and then it started to go silent a bit. So then we just caught whiting randomly, caught like 4 red mullet. Surprise, no leather jackets, Tommy's a pufferfish. Very surprised, Dad.
Absolutely.
It's all been whiting, red mullet and snook. I don't know what's going on today. Today's not a big day. I'm not catching many fish. It's weird. Every single time in Porvik, we catch a lev jacket, a Tommy first try. But we haven't caught any. We've caught a couple of sand whiting, and we're just using these fish as bait. Also, what are they called?
Pilchards.
Pilchards. And then just some cockles and squid. So we're going to try this spot for another 5-10 minutes. If we don't catch anything, then we'll... Hi guys, I'm back. We just caught a massive whiting. I'm not sure if you can see him or her. It was pretty chunky. But we're going to keep on fishing here. If we don't catch anything for another 5 minutes, then we'll leave. I see some whiting in the sounder. Oh, we got something. Cowfish, shuttle. That's why you call it cowfish. Very interesting fish they are. They still quite hard. You can cut it. Ow. I know. Come on.
I'm going to get a Trevally. That would be good, wouldn't it? Ready for it, Susan? I'll get it. Can you do it?
No.
Nice snapper.
Huh?
It's a nice snapper.
Oh, come on.
Come on. Look at that.
Can I hold it up? Look at this bad boy. Unfortunately, we can't keep him. Look at that. Yeah.
So that is
45.
45. We're
Sadly,
going to put him back. Look at his beautiful blue spots. Alright, sorry mate, you got to go back. We could have kept him
yeah. Good.
if the ban wasn't on.
That means we can keep that snapper.
Oh, that would have been nice.
I could love it today. You would have been able to keep. You wouldn't been able to keep that here. So you can make your band until 2024. Let's go catch a leopard, a Tommy, and a Tucker. I want a good size. I like it over there. Oh!
That's another snapper. Right, settle down, please. That's how accidents happen when you carry on. Right, too excited. And then nothing on the rest. Too high when you struck that. It's not a snap. A sweet. A sweet.
I can take a picture of that.
I've never seen a sweet before.
Aren't Squid like vegetarian?
Which of my rods really good ones?
Doesn't matter. Look, a sweep! Never caught a sweep in my life. Aren't a sweep vegetarian?
Yeah, I think normally they
Hey
eat
buddy,
meat.
have a good night.
That's another one you can tick off.
Yeah, I caught a sweep. Have you caught a sweep?
Yeah.
That's my first time catching a sweep. Hi guys, we have finished for today. We didn't catch one more whiting after that. I am very disappointed, but it's still like a fun day. Two Trevally, can't really see them, 1 snook, and 11 whiting. Successful? Unsuccessful at the same time. So we're just gonna head home. We won't do squidding, so we'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be like heaven for squid. Calm as, only 2 knots apparently. So we'll go for some squid and some other whiting. Hopefully we can catch some more. So I will see you when we're driving. Guys, we're back. Woo. Just heading back to the boat ramp now. I'm back and I'm going to feed the pelicans. Watch this. They're fighting.
Give it to her.
Got one more, guys.
Have you got one more?
Yeah, one more Trevor. Good job, little buddy. Oh, they're fighting. So I got no more left. I got no more left, guys.
You had your feed. That's all we got.
Is that the biggest one? That one wants it.
Don't tease him now.
What was that? Okay, bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back. And we're on the water in our boat. Look at the little fishies. They're very small, like my fish at home. What are they? They look like baby whiting to me. But we're heading off by pelicans. Dad, what spot are we heading off first?
We're going south today.
Okay. So we'll see you when we're driving. Bye. Hi guys, we just had something unbelievable happen. We got 3 quick whiting. I caught the first on that rod, and then these 2 we caught another 2 whiting on. So do you want to head back to that spot, Dad?
Yeah, I'm going to go back on that spot. I think we'll anchor on it.
Look,
and burley up.
Because I think we found a school of whiting. So yeah, I will see you when we're back on that spot. Hi guys, welcome back. We've had a big success. Another 2 whiting. We've got like 6 now, 4 now. It's very nice. I'm very happy with what we got. But now keep on getting more whiting so we can get our bag limit. Look at the sounder. Look how many fish are on the sounder.
On.
Okay, he's on. That's on.
You can leave the camera on so you can see the white.
Look at that.
That's a bit smaller.
Bit smaller. Okay.
That one's a bit.
How big is it? Hi guys, welcome back. We had something amazing. We caught a whole heap of whiting. We caught another
14.
15. No, 14. Yeah, 14. And now Now we've had that experience, we kept on trying, we couldn't catch any, and now we're gonna go head off to Green Island to do some squidding. Hopefully we'll catch a whole heap of squid. We've caught 3 squid.
That's because it's got a squid.
We've got a squid on the Tommy, guys.
Grab them now. Should we grab it?
Yeah.
Good one. Big one. Hold that in there. I'll turn you. Oh, I lost him. That's what happened.
Dad, come on, man. Dad lost the squid. Mad of you.
I'm mad at myself.
Oh,
That was a good one.
we're done, Dad. Dad, why did you do that? Why did you do that, man? It was a good squid.
Well, I didn't do it on purpose, but he's still there, isn't he? So I've got one on this rod now.
Don't mess this up.
And this one, I'll get.
I got the net.
This was on the purple colour.
Now we got a squid on the filtered colour. Beauty. Show him to me. It's a beauty. Look at him. I have never used this one. The Tommy thing has one right now. Go squid? Oh, you got a squid, nice. That one's good.
Purple, Louie.
Purple. So Steve's one, this one that Steve gave me. How is he good at squidding?
Practice.
I've only been squidding for a little bit, but I've been fishing for like 5 years. Go on.
Go on. Good. Alright, coming. Good work, Louie. Yes.
Finally! That took forever for me to catch a squid. Then drop it when Sorry, it wasn't yours. But this one is the ripper. Where'd you get this one from, Dad?
Good job, see? Don't give up.
Where'd you get that jazz from?
I don't know. It's an old, really old one. Just checking it.
We decided to stop to scour the squid. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was a big one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 squid on it. 15, 16, 17, 18. come on, 18. But look at this. 7 or 8 fish for the pelicans. They're gonna be happy with me. So yeah. Hi guys, this is Dad filleting the fish. So explain to them what you're doing.
So first, we'll just check to see that there's no more scales. We put these through the scaling bag. Some of them still have got some scales. So I start behind this fin, sharp knife, cut back towards the head, turn, and then you can run that knife along the backbone of the fish, holding down, holding down, holding down. That perfect fillet. And then turn the fish around, do that again, go back towards the head, turn around, follow the spine all the way back to the tail, like so. Look at that. No meat left on that. And then you gotta clean these up, so I'll show you that later, okay? Just give them a bit of a clean, get rid of that stomach lining, like that, and then later on, in the house, I'll just clean them up. You can turn that off, Louie. Everyone's going to be doing this for the next 10 minutes. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how to clean squid. These things here are called the tentacles, or the, what do we call them, Louie?
Candles.
Candles, that's it, the candles. These are amazing bait because they're a lot softer. So we take them there and we keep them for bait. We then grab the squid and we're going to try and get our hand in there to grab its backbone. And it's like a clear plastic thing. And you've got to try and grab all of this at once and you try to pull it all out at the same time. Like that. Then, sometimes the squid has ink left, a la that, and this one. Alright, so that ink's gone. So now what I do is I pull one of their flaps off, and you pull that, like that. We'll keep that for later. That actually helps to get their skin off. So we'll do the next flap. Like that. And then, hopefully, all the skin comes off. So that's pretty good. Still got a little bit more on there. So you have to just pull that off. And then put your fingers inside. Make sure there's no guts. Then you just clean it off like that. So that's the squid body. That's what everyone eats, the tubes, the calamari. We keep that, beautiful to eat. And these are the flaps. These are also delicious to eat. And what I'll do is I'll cut off this rubbery part. There's a rubbery part that runs right through here. I'll cut that off because it gets a bit hard to eat. And then when you do that, some of the skin can come off. Put that in the rubbish. And you can peel the slimy skin off. Or you can use your knife and just do this. And it just all comes off. If you don't want to see any skin, you can just trim the edge around and around and around. But some people like to keep it on there because it goes a bit crispy when you cook it. It's ready to be eaten. Onto the other one. Cut that rubbery part off. Nice sharp knife. That goes back to the pelicans. We'll pull off the skin, like so. And that one, I'm going to leave a little bit of that skin because I'm going to eat this one. And it's done. Now, its head. This is its head. What you need to do is, you need to pull the beak out. And what you do is you cut just where those tentacles start, behind the eyes. That here goes to the pelicans. This, give it a rinse. And when you eat that on the coals, it is amazing. And we're done. That's it. And there's the beak. Like the bird beak.
Alright, we've got a feeding frenzy going on here. Check this out. They're about to jump in the boat, I reckon.
There you go. You bastard! Those are him!
That's a big one. Sharing it around, huh?
Got it. It's Louie driving.
But you're not allowed to go fast because you don't have a license. Remember, you're going to follow red with the black triangle. So go left. So wherever the red goes, you go that way, okay? So you go left, follow the red, and now start straightening up. And when that red points to the black, you keep it there, like that. Now go a bit right, and now start going left, because it'll swing around very quickly.
Please come back, Dolphin. I hope he comes back. Can't wait for that GoPro 7 to arrive. And this week, oh, there it is. There it is.
There he is.
That's great. You can see
Look how
him.
fast he is.
It's going on the other.
I'm out here now. Mine's at the front of the boat, but just here.
Where's he now? There he is. It's going on this side now. Okay, there it is. Yeah. I think it's gone now. There's still nothing here. All of it's crap. Nothing's coming. It's all dead. There's nothing here. We're not gonna move because Dad's still fixing the boat, the sounder, and the GPS aren't working. So we'll probably be here for another 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys when we're moving, hopefully, or when we catch a fish, which we probably won't. So I'll see you then. But I'm very sad to leave, but this is what happens. So we're just gonna leave poor Vic now. I'm very, very sad that we're leaving. So it's very depressing, but these things happen. We leave poor Vic and we come to poor Vic. So where's the farewell sign, Dad?
I think we just
There it
go past it. Is it up there?
Yeah. So there's the farewell sign. Farewell, poor Vic. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to win that squid egg. If you subscribe, you'll have a chance. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.